In this question, since we know that the derivative of x power 10 plus 10 power x is 10 power 10 x power 9 plus 10 power x log 10. So here I can use the substitution method. I make substitution x power 10 plus 10x equals to t. Then its derivative will be 10 x power 9 plus 10 x log 10 equals to t, dt equals to dt. Left hand side is with respect to x and right hand side is derivative, take derivative of with respect to t. So 10 x power 9 plus 10x log 10 dx equals to dt. So if I substitute in the question, I'll get dt by t, which is and now I can find the integration easily. So it will be log t plus c. So if I put the value of t, which is x power 10 plus 10 power x, so the answer will be log x power 10 plus 10 power x plus c, which is option D.